We've got us a 9-year-old Lochinvar water heater. Upper and lower elements are both 4,500 watts, 50 gallons. It's had nothing but soft water through it its entire life. So let's pull out the lower element and the upper and take a close look. Okay, let's go ahead and pull the lower heating element out. It is a 4,500 watt element. See what it looks like. 9 years, nothing but soft water. It was tighter than that. I went ahead and broke it loose. It was all I could do with this socket and screwdriver to break it loose. This out. Not many threads holding it. Wow. Really good shape. A little bit of rust on the end cap. That's the far wall. Looks relatively brand new. A little bit of scale in the very bottom. I'm shining a flashlight through the bottom hole. Threads aren't really too terrible right there. Right where the anode rod goes, we'll try to pull that out. This is the upper element. It's also a 4,500 watt element. Went ahead and loosened it off camera. This one wasn't too terribly tight. Well, that's the upper. Let's look inside, see if we can see the anode rod through this hole. All I see is like it looks what appears to be a number 9 wire in there. I'm shining the flashlight through the bottom. I believe that's the pickup tube, the hot water pickup tube at the bottom. Okay, the anode rod was a little tight. I went ahead and used the air cap impact just to break it loose. Yeah, I believe it's that piece of wire. That's it. It's not even 36 inches long. It's just a piece of wire. The wire is just the center core of it. That was a solid rod at one time of probably magnesium. The wire is right at 27 inches long. Well, that's it on this one. Hey, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. Work safe out there.